If you are learning front-end in 2026, one big question is how much do you actually need to know? Because everywhere you look, there's another roadmap, another framework, another tool. Most beginners feel overwhelmed. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, then more libraries, more tools, and it feels like you will never be ready to build on your own. Here's the honest truth, you don't need to know everything to start building. You just need enough knowledge to understand what's happening and move forward. What actually matters is understanding the basics, being able to read and modify code, building small projects, and learning how to debug. Memorizing everything is not the goal. That's exactly what this channel focuses on: minimum front-end fundamentals, real projects, and using AI the right way so you can build front-end faster. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing.